Hello my amazing people, welcome back again to Susan Good TV. So guys, let me take you through on how I made this hair. So here is the gem and shine and jam I'm going to be using, and the black rubber band. That's what I will use on the front, and the other one just watch and see how I make it. No needle, no crochet, just watch it. Very easy to follow guys, very easy to make. This kind of hair you can easily just make it, and maybe you are going somewhere, you just want to quickly make your hair. Is very easy. So guys, let's get to it. So guys, how are you all doing? I hope fine. It's good to see you guys back again. So this is your first time of coming across Susan Good TV. Thank you so much for stopping by. We appreciate your support. And to our returning subscriber, thank you. We appreciate you for always coming by to watch our content. So if you like what we are doing here, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we drop a new video. Thank you so much guys. So this is how I made this hair. I'll just leave you guys to see, and when I got to a place where I need to explain it, then I'll be watching it with you guys, then I will explain it with you. All right guys, thank you so much. See you soon.
Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right, and I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds, played this game and played the fools? Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? The way I look fills me with fright.
So the method I'm using today is going to be twisting, not weaving. I just want to twist it. So guys, you can also weave it, but what I'm doing today is twisting, and I'm going to be showing you guys on how to also use the weaving the weaving side, and also how you can also just do it without weaving, twist.
Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right,
So guys, we are going to repeat the process just the way we do from the beginning. So these 3 parts we called, that's how we're going to just finish it.
And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of details. And when I pin it, it's heads, not tails.
So what we are doing here, I'm done twisting it. So before you start crossing it, you have to take it and see where it will go. So you have to take one edge from this side to the other edge, use it to round it, and use your rubber band to tie it to the hair. Alright, so some people they can just like when they cut it, they put it to the other one and they twist it. At times it make some hair bigger than some. So that is why I finish mine twisting everything then before I start using it to tie the hair. Trust me guys, the hair is not going to go off. If you feel that if you don't do it, it's going to go off. No, it's not going off. It's going to stay like that. Like you can carry the hair for 2 weeks without any problem. The hair is not going off.
The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of details. And when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds? Played this game and played the fool.
So we'll repeat the same process. That's how we're going to finish everything. Then the edge, I'm going to pack it along. I'm going to pack it along with the one I'm going to pack back of the hair. So just watch and see. Thank you so much guys. And I will leave you now to enjoy the music. If there's anything I need to explain, I will be back. But before then, have a nice day, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for your support once again, and I love you guys, and I know God loves you more. Bye.
The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of details. And when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds? Played this game and played the fools. Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. words that I think are right, and I'm a child of details. And when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds? Played this game and played the fools. Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds? Played this game and played the fools. Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right, and I'm a child of details. And when I pin it, it's heads, not tails.